All morning that people are tired from the Super Bowl and now they get to wake up to rain. What a great Monday we have out there. But hey, it could be worse. At least right now we haven't seen very much heavy rain across the area. It's been light, and that's what our first warning radar and high point's picking up on right now. Some light rain moving through parts of southern Davidson, southern Randolph County toward Asheboro, Siler City, Albemarle, Troy also getting some rain down there in the southern Piedmont. So most of the heavy stuff is still back off to our south and west in South Carolina. Georgia's been getting soaked today, and even some storms in Alabama. Most of the rain, as I mentioned, down there, really that North Carolina, South Carolina state line's been the divide between heavy rain and light rain as we've gone throughout the day today. Mid-50s out there right now. It's another cool start and really going to be a cool day. Not expecting us to warm up a whole lot just because of rain in the area and our clouds overhead. So again, upper 50s here by the afternoon, the Piedmont Triad, foothills making it into the mid-50s, mountains in the low 50s. Overall, expect light rain to continue for at least the next few hours, but this evening we could have some heavy rain move in. And for today's impacts, that's our highest concern. Just because we've gotten so much rain, another round of heavier rain on top of that could create localized flooding, and this would be in the usual trouble spots like creeks and streams rising out of their banks, poor drainage areas filling up with water, things like that. But for your evening commute, you definitely want to take it slow and watch out for ponding on the roadways, and can't completely rule out a stray storm. Overall, I think that risk is pretty low, and we'll really have to just worry about hearing some thunder and maybe gusty winds as this one last final round of activity moves through tonight. So let me plan it out for you here. Light rain continues through at least the middle of the afternoon, and then later on a batch of steadier rain begins to move in and take over across the area. And again, later on tonight around midnight, early Tuesday morning, we could have some storms in the area moving through, rumbles of thunder, gusty winds, downpours. You get the idea. Nothing we haven't dealt with before. That's why that risk is low, but still something we're not necessarily used to seeing in February, and we haven't seen a good storm in quite some time. So be aware of that. If you hear rumble of thunder outside tonight, don't be surprised. We begin to clear out though by Tuesday morning and into the lunchtime hours. You see that system is gone in a hurry pretty quick, but winds are really going to pick up on the back side of this out of the northwest. So tomorrow morning, Tuesday, could be walking out the door to 30, 45 mile per hour wind gusts, even in the Triad and really across the entire area. Winds could be stronger than that. So we have a wind advisory for almost all of our counties until 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Winds will locally be stronger in the foothills and mountains. That's where the mountain communities have a high wind warning until Tuesday afternoon for the potential of some strong, very gusty winds, likely looking at 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts up there in the high country, and that could bring down some trees and cause some power outages tomorrow morning. Wednesday for Valentine's Day, looking good. Things are looking good. A cold morning, but overall mid-50s and lots of sunshine by the afternoon. If you're thinking of making some plans, looking good. Just keep in mind that cold morning if you're heading out to breakfast. So overall, our active stretch of weather starting to wind down. Don't let the winds tomorrow morning catch you off guard. Nice weather for your Valentine's Day plans and turning more mild later on in the week. We'll keep you updated for that low chance of rain on Saturday.